Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce latency in web applications with Fastly, complete guide step by step clearly. Reducing latency in web applications is crucial for a seamless user experience. Start by understanding what latency is and how it affects your application performance. Latency refers to the delay before a transfer of data begins following an instruction for its transfer. The first step is to assess your current latency metrics. Use tools like pingdom or JIT to measure latency and identify bottlenecks. Analyze the geographic distribution of your users. Next, leverage Fastly's Edge Cloud platform to cache assets closer to your users. Implement Fastly CDN, which employs a network of servers strategically located worldwide. After signing up for Fastly, integrate it with your web application. Update your DNS settings to point to Fastly's servers. Now, configure caching rules within the Fastly dashboard. Set appropriate cache control headers to determine how long assets should be cached. Consider using Fastly's instant purging capabilities to manage content updates effectively. Use Fastly's real-time logs to monitor performance and latency issues. Implement dynamic content caching if necessary, especially for user-specific data. Optimize the assets you serve through Fastly. Compress images and serve them in modern formats like WebP to reduce load times. Minify CSS and JavaScript to decrease file sizes. Integrate Fastly's Image Optimizer to automatically resize and optimize images based on user device. Test your application thoroughly throughout this process. Conduct regular latency tests following each adjustment to measure improvements. Use A/B testing to compare the performance of cached versus non-cached content. Monitor user feedback and engagement metrics to understand the impact of your changes. Finally, keep your Fastly configuration up to date to adapt to changing web standards and technologies. By following these steps, you will effectively reduce latency and enhance the performance of your web application with Fastly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.